Alright, here it is. The S1000RR 2020 red. I don't even know what to say. This is I'm so excited. I don't even know what to do right now. It's got the SD Project exhaust. It's so loud, and this is my first time turning it on. Okay. Oh man. Wow. All right. Holy Jesus. This bike is loud. So loud. Doesn't feel that big though. It feels way more comfortable initially than my ZX6R. I feel like I'm sitting way more upright, which is awesome. The seat is a little, it feels harder, but it's angled in a way where there's no like sharp angles. Oh wow. I am so excited to see how this bike rides. My dream bike. I am on my dream bike right now. 205 horsepower. This bike was flash tuned. It is tuned, so this is not going to be the limited stock S1000RR that a lot of people complain about. I've seen all the videos, I've seen all the complaints. This is fully unlocked, and I am ready to just... I'm shaking right now. I am scared of this bike. It's got the quick shifter. I am so excited to use the quick shifter. I'm going to be very careful on this thing because I know this thing will instantly just destroy me if I twist this throttle too hard. It is not a 600. It is one of the fastest 1000s in the world right now. I guess we're turning around. Yeah, we can't go through this way. Oh my God. Let's see how this quick shifter works. No way. There is no way. No. Are you kidding me? Hold on. Okay. You don't even have to know how to ride a motorcycle to ride this thing. I mean, it's that easy. I didn't even touch the clutch. That's insane. That's insane. I just want to like return this. Although I know I don't want to return this. I want to get my full experience for the day. But maybe I should just take this bike to the BMW dealership and just go ahead and order myself a 2020 S1000RR because I already love this bike. It's amazing. Oh man. I mean, especially coming from a 600, and the first leader bike that I ever ride is a 2020 S1000RR flashed. Talk about an upgrade. I'm not even, I twisted the throttle like 1 millimeter and I'm going like 40. I'm sorry, I'm totally geeking and freaking out over this, but I think it's very fair for me to be drooling inside of my helmet right now over how amazing this bike is. It's very smooth. It really is smooth at low speeds. And I'm not having any issue balancing this at all. Now, technically, this bike actually weighs the same as my 2018 ZX6R. It's pretty much the same weight. I mean, you're talking like maybe 20-pound difference, which is crazy. sitting in this bike, it feels really good. I am in the seat. It doesn't feel like I'm sitting on top of the bike. It really does feel like I'm sitting in the bike. Because my ZX6R does feel like you're sitting on the bike. But I'm not getting that sensation here. This tank is very tall, and it's very narrow too. I could squeeze my legs in. Now I will say, it's not that hot out here in LA today. It's in the 80s somewhere, and this bike's throwing off a lot of heat. And I'm hot. Sitting here is not fun. Yeah, this bike is definitely louder than my ZX6R. I mean, my ZX6R is loud, so that's saying something about this thing. The pops are louder, but just the constant tone out of the pipe is just loud. And I'm not even going anywhere. It feels like my 600. It definitely does feel like it is as light as my bike. What the? Holy. I'm scared. Holy crap. I'm gonna squeeze this tank harder than I've ever squeezed anything before. Thankfully, this thing has some tank pads on it because I'm gonna need them. You can really tuck in here. This is great though, because like on my ZX6R, if I tuck in down into here, like I'll hit the tank and I won't be able to really get in, but I really feel I can get way in here, which is awesome. Wow, that quick shifter just does everything. It's so convenient. Now what if I downshift? Wow. Oh my god. Wow. Absolutely incredible. These mirrors are pretty good. They do shake, but I mean, my ZX6R also shakes. They're not unusable though by any means. They're pretty big, and I'm satisfied with how much I can see behind me right now. Now they are a little bigger than my ZX6R because I mean, I don't know if it's just the frame, but they do look like bulkier. However, there is a signal indicator in the back of this, so you know, that could be the reason that they are actually bulkier. Holy, that's insane. I now understand when people say you do not need this much power on the street. Totally over the top, overkill, unnecessary amount of power in this machine. But it's very fun. I feel like the wind is also much less brutal on this bike. It really comes right up and over my head. This is so awesome. I don't know how many times I've said awesome or fantastic or amazing or what. I do not apologize. This is the most amazing motorcycle I've ever ridden. This is lost for words. Awesome. Holy, okay, hold on. Holy crap! Are you kidding me? When I hit 10,000, this thing felt like it was ready to launch off of NASA's Space Shuttle launch pad. It was going to the moon. I'm in 3rd gear, going what I would be doing in 6th gear on my ZX6R. That's frightening. I don't even know how to ride a motorcycle anymore. I don't need to use a clutch. I don't know how to do it. This bike doesn't weigh anything at all. Like, look at this. So fast. Now, I will say, I did hear that these engines have been given a lot of vibration in the handlebars, and I totally agree. At a certain point, it feels like your hands are on one of those little foot massagers that you put the quarter in, and it just starts vibrating. Like, that's what it feels like. It feels like you're putting your hand on one of those things at, like, I would say anything after like 8 or 9, it starts vibrating a ton. Now let's see about this cruise control. So you push it over, and then you just hit forward, and that's it. Of course, everyone's stopping now, but let's try it again. Just gonna cruise at 70. Let's do 70. No? 71? 70? Oh, it wasn't on. My bad. Alright, here we go. Here we go. No hands. Cruising. Cruise control. Fantastic. No hands. I mean, you gotta lean the bike a little bit. It's getting a little wonky right now because it is a little windy out today, so 6th gear, 77, and this bike is actually chilling. I'm really honestly interested to see if there's any motorcycle out right now that I would enjoy riding more than this. I mean, this is... I had high expectations for this bike, and they have been exceeded. Oh yeah, right about 9,000, you start getting those vibrations. I think I'm gonna go ahead and put it in race mode for this last stretch. For now. Just try it out, see if there's any difference. Because I don't know, maybe there is. Here we go. Race mode. Alright, we gotta get over, so let's start heading over. I mean, honestly, the thing about the mirrors, you don't even have to use them because nobody's gonna be passing you or anything. I mean, that's not gonna happen. If you're on the throttle, nobody's passing you. It's just not gonna happen. Unless there's like a LaFerrari that just so happens to be right next to you, there's nothing's passing you. Brakes are fantastic though. Wow. Yeah, definitely a lot better than my ZX6R. I mean, obviously it has to be for how fast you're going on this bike. I'm gonna pull over here really quick, wait for my girlfriend to pass by. Yeah, I don't know if it's hot out or this bike's throwing up a lot of heat, but it's hot. I think it's the bike. That kind of sucks, but, you know, just keep moving, I guess, you know? I mean, when you're riding, it's not that bad. I think this is her. My God. Honestly, the thing with this bike, now I know all it really takes is just getting used to a 1000, but I feel like I am about to flip. So it's going to take time for me to get used to having this much power and knowing what the bike can do. And I'm pretty sure this thing has like wheelie control and stuff, so but I don't know if it's on, and like I don't know anything about it, so I need to just be extra careful because I don't know if this thing is gonna flip. And the front gets light. It definitely gets light. And a bug just straight up exploded all over my face. I literally can barely see right now because I just have bug guts all over the place. Yeah, this bike is insane. So, hope you enjoyed the first reaction. And, oh man, I can't wait to do other videos with this bike. So, I'll catch you later. Peace.